to another crappie moment. We're fishing. Nice day. A little breezy today. Got a little wind going on. Today I'm using my ACC crappie stick, 7.5 foot. This is a medium action fast tip rod. It's great for feeling that thump, great sensitivity, but you can use whatever you have. You don't have to have any special rod to crappie fish. The best rod to crappie fish with is the one that you have. Just use what you have. But if you're looking for something for crappie specifically, and you're looking for something, go and get a rod that has ultralight or light power with a fast tip. That's what you're looking for. If you're looking for something specifically for crappie, that's what you want. You want something that's light or ultralight power with a fast tip. And that's usually going to be marked right here, somewhere above your grip on that rod when you're out looking. It's going to be marked somewhere along in this area. You want something that's ultralight with a fast tip. It's great sensitivity to help you feel that thump for panfish like crappie. Today I'm using a 1/16 ounce jig. And I've got this chartreuse and orange paddle tail, just a small grub, small bait. We're going to give that a try today. We're going to get out here and see what we can do. If you haven't done so already, hit that subscribe button for me. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like. That helps me out so much. I appreciate your support. Let's get out here. We're going to try to get some fish today. There he is. Come here. There we go. There we go. How you doing? Look at that beautiful fish. There he is. Oh yeah. Come here. Fish. There we go. There we go. Oh. He didn't want his picture taken. There you go. Nice fish. There we go. There we go. Oh my goodness, what we got here? Oh yeah. Come here. Oh, wow. That's what we've been looking for. Yes. There we go. Nice. I love it. Ain't no fishing like crappie fishing. Gotta love it. There he is. There we go. Oh wow. There we go. wall. There we go. Wow. Absolutely swallowed that thing out of there. I gotcha. There we go. Get in here. Good gracious. Yeah. All right, that's gonna do it. Appreciate you tuning in. Had a great day today. Started off slow. Fought some wind today. Wind really picked up. But we finally found some fish. Found some good fish today. Had a great day. Had a good time. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, do me a favor. Do that for me. Hit that like button if you're enjoying the video. We're going to keep them coming. Hope y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all next time.